If you're seeing a client-side error on Elevenlabs, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple steps to troubleshoot the issue and get Elevenlabs loading properly again. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is hard refresh the page. Sometimes the browser keeps an old version of the site cached, and that can trigger a client-side error even when the site itself is working fine. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus F5. If you're on a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. This forces your browser to completely reload the page instead of using stored files. After that, wait a moment and see if Elevenlabs opens normally. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache for elevenlabs.io. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Site Data, and remove the saved cookies and cached files connected to Elevenlabs. This helps fix login problems, broken sessions, and display issues that can cause client-side errors. Once that's done, close the browser tab, reopen Elevenlabs, and log back into your account. A fresh session often solves the problem right away. Now, if you still can't get in, the third thing to check is whether you have a VPN or proxy turned on. VPNs can sometimes change your network route, trigger security checks, or cause Elevenlabs to think something unusual is happening with your connection. So disable any active VPN or proxy settings, then refresh the page again. If you're on a work or school network, that can also sometimes affect access, so trying a different connection can help too. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the issue. In most cases, a hard refresh, clearing cookies and cache or turning off a VPN is enough to resolve the Elevenlabs client-side error and get you back to using the platform normally. If the problem continues after trying all 3, wait a little while and try again later, because occasionally the issue may be temporary on the site's side. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.